Imagine a world where your creativity generates income while you sleep. This isn't a dream, but a tangible reality for many aspiring entrepreneurs and creators through the lucrative avenue of selling digital products. It's a modern approach to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Digital products are intangible assets, sold and distributed entirely online without needing physical stock or inventory. This unique characteristic offers exceptionally high profit margins and incredible scalability, allowing you to reach a global audience with minimal overhead. Let's explore the diverse and expansive world of digital products, starting with templates. These pre-designed formats, such as professional resume templates, engaging social media templates, or even website and presentation templates, save users significant time and effort in their daily tasks and creative projects. Printables are digital files specifically designed to be printed by the end user. This category includes a wide array of items such as planners, journals, beautiful wall art, greeting cards, and educational worksheets, catering to personal organization, home decor, and various learning needs. Customizable spreadsheets are invaluable tools for a multitude of purposes. These can be designed for budgeting, detailed financial tracking, efficient project management, inventory management, or comprehensive business planning, often created using powerful software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Guides and ebooks provide in-depth knowledge on specific subjects, offering comprehensive information in a digital format. This can range from practical how-to guides, detailed recipe collections, fitness plans, to extensive educational materials, all accessible instantly. Notion templates offer pre-built workspaces and systems within Notion, the popular all-in-one workspace application. These can include highly organized content calendars, effective habit trackers, dynamic project dashboards, and personalized organizers, streamlining workflows for users. Lightroom presets are pre-configured settings for Adobe Lightroom, a powerful photo editing software. These allow photographers and content creators to apply specific looks, styles, and color grades to their photos with just a single click, dramatically enhancing their visual appeal. Now, where exactly can you sell these valuable digital treasures? Etsy stands out as a global marketplace, immensely popular for digital products like printables, templates, and digital art, effectively reaching a large, engaged audience actively seeking unique digital goods. Gumroad is a remarkably user-friendly e-commerce platform specifically designed for creators to sell their digital products directly to their audience. It supports various product types, including ebooks, software, music, and courses, offering flexible pricing options and a straightforward selling experience. Creative Market caters specifically to designers and creative professionals, offering a vast array of digital assets such as unique fonts, high-quality graphics, versatile templates, and professional photos. It serves as a premier hub for acquiring top-tier digital resources. Shopify empowers you to build your very own online store, providing unparalleled control over your branding and the entire customer experience. It offers robust integrations for seamless digital product delivery, allowing for a fully customized and professional storefront. The product creation process fundamentally begins with idea generation. This crucial first step involves identifying a specific niche or a problem that your digital product can effectively solve, while also considering your unique skills and personal interests to ensure authenticity and passion. Next, thorough market research is essential to validate your idea. This involves researching existing demand, analyzing the competition, and understanding your target audience's specific needs, thereby ensuring your product has a viable and profitable place in the market. Content creation is the phase where you develop the actual digital product itself. This could involve meticulously designing various templates, writing a comprehensive ebook, creating a series of professional presets, or developing any other digital asset you plan to sell. Packaging your product effectively means creating compelling descriptions that highlight its benefits, designing attractive mockups, and generating high-quality preview images. These elements are crucial for attracting potential buyers and showcasing your product's value. Finally, you must set up your chosen selling platform, meticulously configuring your store and product listings. It's imperative to thoroughly test your product to ensure it downloads correctly and functions precisely as intended, guaranteeing a smooth customer experience. Effective market research techniques include comprehensive keyword research. Utilizing tools like Google Keyword Planner allows you to identify popular search terms related to your product idea, helping you understand what potential customers are actively looking for online. Competitor analysis is another vital technique, helping you understand what successful sellers in your niche are offering, their pricing strategies, and their marketing approaches. This analysis reveals critical gaps and opportunities in the market that you can leverage. Directly asking potential customers through well-designed surveys or in-depth interviews about their needs, preferences, and pain points provides invaluable first-hand insights. This direct feedback can significantly inform your product development and marketing strategies. Pricing strategies for digital products can vary significantly, ranging from an accessible $5 to a premium $100 or more. The optimal price depends heavily on the product's perceived value, its complexity, and the specific target audience you are aiming to reach. When determining your pricing, consider value-based pricing, where the price reflects the benefits to the customer. Also, benchmarking against competitors' prices and implementing tiered pricing to offer different versions or bundles of your product can be highly effective strategies. Marketing through Pinterest is exceptionally effective, especially for visually driven digital products. Create appealing pins with clear, concise descriptions and direct links to your product pages. Utilize rich pins, group boards, and relevant keywords to maximize visibility. Leverage Instagram with high-quality visuals, engaging reels, interactive stories, and informative carousels to effectively showcase your products. Utilize relevant hashtags. Engage actively with your audience through comments and direct messages, and explore Instagram shopping features to drive sales. Automation is a critical component for scaling your digital product business efficiently. Set up automated email marketing sequences for welcome messages, product announcements, and follow-up communications using platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign to nurture your audience. Most selling platforms are designed to automate digital file delivery immediately upon purchase, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Additionally, social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Later can automate your posts, maintaining a consistent online presence without constant manual effort. Success stories abound in the digital product space, with many creators achieving five-figure monthly incomes. Common themes among these high earners include deep niche specialization, consistently delivering high-quality products, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. These successful entrepreneurs also excel at strong marketing, effectively reaching their target audience, building loyal communities, and consistently launching new and updated products. Their continuous innovation and audience engagement are key drivers of their sustained growth. For beginners, low barrier to entry product ideas are an excellent starting point. Simple printables like daily planners, weekly to-do lists, or habit trackers are easy to design and create using user-friendly tools such as Canva, requiring minimal initial investment. Basic templates, such as professional resume templates or engaging social media post templates, also serve as great starting points. They allow you to test the market, gather feedback, and understand customer preferences without extensive development time. If you possess photography skills, creating a small, curated pack of Lightroom presets can be a good initial offering. These can be tailored to specific styles or niches, appealing to other photographers and content creators looking to streamline their editing process. Short ebooks or concise guides on a topic you are knowledgeable about, such as 5 tips for better sleep or Beginner's Guide to Houseplants, are excellent ways to share your expertise and provide value to an audience, establishing your authority in a niche. These beginner-friendly products require minimal financial investment and can be created efficiently with readily available software. This makes them ideal for learning the ropes of digital product creation and sales, allowing you to gain experience and build confidence. The world of digital products offers immense potential for generating passive income and achieving creative fulfillment. Start small, continuously learn from your experiences, and strategically scale your way to significant success in this dynamic and rewarding industry.